Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And this news, it matters. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, listen, let's talk about this new smartwatch that's supposed to hit the market and it's coming from Google. Google finally is about to drop their product in the water to compete with the giants. And we're talking about Samsung and also Apple, right? Now, I've been checking out the internet. I've been checking out some videos and coming to find out they're talking about how the Google Pixel is going to rival the Apple Watch and how it's going to rival the Gear S4. And that remains to be seen, right? But first of all, let's talk about what we do know about this smartwatch. First of all, Google's going to be dropping 3. Again, it should show up around the time that they bring about the Google Pixel 3 and the Google Pixel 3 XL, which should take place sometime in the fourth quarter, around October, right? But what we know so far about this smartwatch is that they're working with Qualcomm. Now, the chip that Qualcomm is bringing to the table so far as the Google Pixel is concerned, smartwatch that is that this is going to allow for a thinner design. I don't know how they're going to do this, but thin is definitely going to be welcome. I'm really looking forward to seeing this. And also, it's supposed to bring about better battery life, right? So how much better could this battery life be? Is it going to be 3 days? It's going to be 4 days? Because the battery life is also welcome. Right now, we're getting anywhere between a day and a half to 2 days. 2 days, depending on what you dial back on. Like, one of the things you're going to kick off is the always on display, which I love my always on display. I love being able to see the time at a glance. So that's one of the things that I never compromise. Also, I'm thinking 3 days would be good. 4 days would definitely be better, right? To keep us away from the charger. So I'm looking forward to that. And they're going to be dropping the Google Assistant. Listen, this might be a beast. My question is, at the end of the day, is that will it be able to make a big enough splash to be able to compete with what's already out there? And the 2 companies that I'm talking about is going to be Apple and also Samsung with the Gear S4 that should hit the market sometime soon. Also, we're talking about Apple may be bringing about a circular design. Now, if that's the case, how good is this smartwatch going to look, right? So there may be a war going on here. I'm really looking forward to it, to seeing, what's going to take place. But here are some of the things I think that the Google Pixel smartwatch needs to bring to the market in order to compete with what's already out there. One, we already talked about it, that thin design. That thin design would definitely put them over the top because it's going to give it a new look, a sleek look, and it'll be something that most people are looking for. They don't like the bulk, and if you bring thinness and it looks like a realistic traditional smartwatch, then that may put a big splash in the water so far as Samsung and Apple is concerned. Also, they need to take care of that mess so far as the notifications are concerned. The notifications are all over the place. You got to go through every single application in order to get to the application that, well, not application, but the notification that you're looking for. Like, let's talk about your text messages, your email, your Gmail, your WhatsApp. You get with Samsung, all of those things are separated. So if you want to go up under your email, you got all your email information, you got all your text message information, you got all your weather information. This is what makes using the smartwatch so convenient. Along with that, I'm thinking that all smartwatches should have what Samsung calls widgets, which means that it gives you quick shortcuts, quick ways to get to your favorites without having to go through your applications in order to get to them. And that's one of the things I like about the Tizen OS. Apple, I have not really experienced it, so I don't know what kind of fight that the Google Pixel can actually bring to Apple, but we will see soon. My thing is that if they're going to compete against Samsung, they're going to have to bring a very hard splash. But the question at the end of the day, what do you think? What do you think that what do you think that Google needs to bring to the table in order to put them over the top above Apple and also Samsung with the Gear S4? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.